I'm going to show you how to check TikTok email. So it's really easy. Just go ahead and open your TikTok app, which is right here next to Instagram. And once you tap here, look at the lower bar where you can see options like friends, post, inbox, and profile. Tap on profile and now tap on edit profile. So you would see all the informations you have right here. So if you have linked your email to TikTok, then you would be able to see here. But if you have not, then you need to add it. Just go ahead and look at the top right corner and tap here and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account, and now right above password there's user information. So once you tap here, you can see email right under phone number. All you need to do is write down the email that you want and tap on continue and verify that it's you. And in this way, you can successfully be able to add the email and also check your TikTok email.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.